Hello everyone, my name's Ellie Hughes and I'm the Digital Graduate Officer for the Digital Improvement Office, and I'm going to be showing you how to create a group on Yammer. Starting on the Yammer homepage, on the left hand side you'll be able to see all of your groups under Run the Cynn Taff. At the bottom you'll also be able to see Discover More Groups. Here you'll be able to see the groups that are recommended for you, and you can simply join the group by clicking join and you can then be accepted, and you'll also be able to view all groups. Here will be the groups that you are currently in and the groups that you're able to join. Above this you'll then see the option to create a group where you can give your group a name. I'm going to be naming mine Yammer Test. Below you can then add group members. I'm going to be adding my colleague Jordan. And below this, you also have the option of making your group public or private. We recommend that your group is private as is the organisation's recommendation. So you'll be clicking onto private and you can then click create group. And your group is now created and you'll be able to use the functions within. Now that your group is created, you'll have access to the various features. Here you'll be able to see your group name, and next to it you'll be able to see that your group is private. Below you'll also be able to add a description of the group. Here you'll be able to view new conversations, so if you've missed anything, this is where they'll appear. Here you'll be able to view all conversations. Next to this you'll be able to view files. You can also upload from your OneDrive or computer, and you can also search within the group too. You'll also have the option to leave your group, and just above this you'll be able to see the settings icon. Here you'll be able to change the name of your group, the description. You can also change the colour and pattern, and when scrolling down you'll then be able to click Save Changes, which will then update the colour scheme and patterns, and if you change the group name and description. And below this, you'll be able to see the various functions of sending an update, a question, a poll, praise, or an announcement. You can simply type an update by typing in your message and clicking on the post icon towards the bottom right, which will then post within your group, and everyone within the group will be able to view this. They can also like the message, reply, share, and I can also go back and edit. Next to this, you'll see the question function. Again, you could type in a question, and you'd simply press the post icon, which everyone can again then reply to. You can then click on the poll. Here you can ask a question and get answers from those within your group. I'm going to ask my group, what is for lunch? Below you can add various different options of foods. And again, you'd simply click post. It'll then appear within your group with the options for each team member to vote by simply clicking on the food of your choice and then clicking vote. Here I'll then be able to keep track of what everyone has voted for. Next to this is praise. This is the perfect place to thank someone or reward someone for their hard work. You can click onto the picture of your choice. I'm going to be using the thumbs up, and you can then choose who you'd like to praise. I'm going to be praising Jordan, and then I'm going to be typing thank you. And again, you'd click post, and Jordan will now be notified that he's been praised. And next to this, you can then click on announcement. Here you could type what you'd like to announce, and then also a message below by saying hello and welcome to the group. And again, you'll click post. Now I'm going to be showing you the functions on the right-hand side of the screen. At the top, you'll be able to see members. As you can see, there's currently 2 members within the group, being myself and Jordan. Next to this, you'll see the option to add members. Here you'll be able to type the name of the colleague you would like to add. I'm going to be adding Nick. And appearing to Nick's name will be the add icon, which when selecting, Nick will now be added to the group. You can also change the permissions of the members within your group. When clicking onto the members, you'll be able to see that currently myself, Ellie and Jordan are members within the group. If I wanted to make Jordan an admin, I could begin by selecting the settings icon and making Jordan an admin. And I could also reverse this by again clicking onto the settings icon and revoking the admin feature. Also, if I wanted to delete Jordan out of the group if he no longer needed to be a member, I could do this by clicking remove. Below this, you'll then see the option to add an information section for your group. And below, you'll be able to see the group actions. Viewing group insights, you'll be able to see the active people within your group, the posted messages, read messages, and message reactions. You can also download a full report of this too. Below, you'll also be able to add or remove apps, add members from this point also, and create in a live event. Just below, you can then SharePoint document library, SharePoint site, you can share from OneNote, and you can also share from Planner. Just at the bottom of the page, you'll then see the accessibility options. You can subscribe to this group by email, you can post to this group by email, and you can embed this feed in your site. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you require any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact the Digital Improvement Office via email on dio@rctcbc.gov.uk. Thank you.